23.6 LCD panel LED backlight, 1920 by 1080 Full HD. 1 millisecond response time, no more blurry images. 1800R curve panel design, most suitable for human eye. True color, NTSC 85%, sRGB 110%. Wide view angle 178 degrees visible. Top reviews from the United States. Nice monitor, excellent viewing angles. I am very pleased with this curved monitor. My monitor is paired with a Radeon RX 6600 GPU. Yes, I am obsessed with Stitch. The first image is my desktop background and the second is the movie. The 1 millisecond refresh rate is great for gaming, and I have not seen any lag or tearing. AMD FreeSync is a nice feature as the system knows the capabilities of the monitor without anything other than plugging it into the graphics card. Overall happy with the purchase. Great, besides one difference compared to my other monitor. I love the screen, it has great resolution. I wanted another curved MSI screen to go with my other one, but I wanted it to be smaller for videos and stuff while I am on games. It's awesome, but the only problem with this was the back has on 2 screws which are lateral from each other. I kind of made another hole on the back of my monitor mount and it seemed to do the job pretty well, other than that it is great.